Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart K3 Dentistry. Here in this channel I will be using smart methods and smart ideas so that dental students can easily understand and gain information about dentistry, and I can deliver my dental information to you guys. And in this channel I will be posting many videos about different dental topics, especially dental lectures, clinical procedures, and much more. So this was a little introductory video for my channel, and for more, as I said, I will be posting videos about different procedures and dental lectures. So please subscribe this channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys.